All right, today we're going to bring a saucepan. Now, this pan is a stainless steel. It comes with the actual measurements, if you guys can see there, for quarts and stuff like that. If you're going to be cooking any kind of sauce or rice, either way. It's a glass, see-through cover. Now, they do give you the handle, including with the tools that you need to put together. So we're going to put it together, and then we're going to start using it and see how well it works. So let's go ahead and do that. If you guys can see, it came with the tool, so I was able to make sure that put the right nuts onto the system itself. So I like this part. It has an extra handle here, so you could grab something heavy, some sauces, some water, any rice or stuff like that. I like the cover. You could cover it up. It has for steam release in here, so there's extra little holes, so you don't have to worry. And this is all dishwasher safe. So you can wash both of them because it's stainless steel. Now, I like that they give you the extra ones in case the handle ever comes off. You could have extra nut. All right, we're cooking some noodles here. We're going to do some noodles, mix it up. We're going to come back later on. But look at this, simmering down right now. We're covering up. I'm cooking, look at this. It's not going to let it rise because all the vapor, air, and the water goes through there. You can see it steaming out through here. So now I'm gonna put some gloves on. This is not hot, all right? It's not that hot, all right? The good thing about it that you can use a metal spoon. It won't scrape anything. And I put some cheese in here. It won't stick to it too, also, which is good. And if you guys can see, you don't have to worry about scrapes because it's metal and it's stainless steel. Other than like these kind of things that scrape up pretty good, these don't. They run really good. You can mix it up. Let's come back and finish it out. All right, this is the final result. Came out really good out of the pot. Hope you guys enjoyed the video.